Dude, it's been so gloomy since morning. I half of mine don't have to do this podcast today.
I love the rains. What do you mean it's gloomy?
Jare.
I like the rains, but I'm just like, I like it when I'm in the house or in the office or in something, because I'm like,
In something?
no, I mean not like that, Samantha, no. I don't like being out in the rain because then it's all chikkal and mucky and bro, we were coming back yesterday by rickshaw, and so this rickshaw now they have the small door things, right?
Uh-huh.
So they had a door thing and Sam sat towards the door side. I was sitting where everything was willy-nilly in the open. So this one bloody Activa guy went like pachak karke all the
Nothing.
water on me.
But nothing beats this one time where Rach, Adi and I were in the rickshaw. We were sitting the same way. It's just that Adi was sitting on the outside, okay?
And Sam was on the other window side and I was in the middle.
Where
like a princess.
where I'm protected and the whole door is there, okay? We were... okay, can you explain which direction we were going in the opposite?
Okay, so we were coming home and what happened is it was pouring down, okay, and the guy was coming from the other side in the opposite direction. He came with such speed, right?
That now I will tell. He came in such
Okay.
speed that my mouth was open. I was talking to Rach.
I mean,
Rach
we
was
were
talking to me. And we were talking to one another. And pachak, all that dirty water on our face.
And she still says she loves the rains.
And first of all, we both were in shock.
Did you at least close your mouth?
No!
Afterwards, yes.
Afterwards, yes, but that time we were all like, pa, 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 pa.
We were in such shock that, did we just get splashed? And we were so pissed, okay, in that moment. And I couldn't even react to turn and abuse that idiot. I was so irritated. I literally came and scrubbed my body. And my
Bro,
face and my
it's
mouth.
because it was dirty water. Okay,
Yes.
so it's now if it's just normal rainwater and it's gathering for the first time, it's okay. The third, fourth time, it's not rainwater anymore.
Yeah.
It's just mucky water there. And he legit splashed and he went and we were like, "Huh."
So yeah, no matter.
But honestly, during the rains, I'm just like, I don't want to go out of the house. Like, I will literally message my boss and I'm like, I'm working from home because it's raining. And sometimes the rains are very bad because, my house leaks a bit, right? I mean, this year it hasn't leaked because of all the tension Ryan and Adi have built with that damn tarpal.
Tarpal, sorry.
With that tarpatri. But every year, generally, it leaks like from some nook and cranny it will be leaking from. So I'm always like perpetually scared that, I'm going to be in the office and then Ria's going to message me with, that meme. I'm under the water, wala. Yeah, it's just, I cannot. So I'm like, you know what, I message my boss and I'm like, I'm working from home because it's raining. Plus, when it rains, it's very difficult to travel from BKC, from station to BKC as well also. So I'm just like, ugh. But honestly, because Sam loves the rains, she's probably...
Sorry, excuse me.
Bless you.
That was such a cute sorry, excuse me.
But yeah, because Sam loves the rains, and I'm pretty sure you're completing your steps, aren't you?
Yes, I am. And dude, in fact, whenever it rains, now sometimes I want to walk outside on the terrace and just get wet a little bit in the rain, and even yesterday when we were coming, right, we were sitting on I wanted the window seat because this past few times we've been traveling, Rachel would go and sit next to the window and I want the
There
window.
are two parts to a window. She gets the second part.
Yeah, but then I wanted this one where I just can put my face right at the window there, and I was just waiting with all the wind on my face and the little water tap on my face, and I genuinely just enjoyed it.
This is the kind of people who go out once a week, twice a week,
No.
go
Yeah,
to face the rain
exactly.
every day.
See, that is there.
This is the person that doesn't travel
She doesn't have to care
in the
about-
rain, in the muck, in the
Okay, first of all,
train.
I understand that I'm romanticizing the rains a lot more, and also I know it comes from a very privileged standpoint, right? That I'm saying I love the rains and everything, but I genuinely enjoy how Mumbai looks, in the rains and everything. So coming to my steps,
You mean with all the potholes?
Have you seen outside?
I look at nature. I'm talking specifically about nature and how green it looks. And this is not something that I'm doing right now. I've been doing it for years. Like, I love looking at nature during monsoons and all because it's so beautiful. And I love walking in them. So, I don't like walking bare feet. Okay, so if I'm in the house, I always have chappals on. But if I'm walking outside, if it's just grass or concrete or something like that, I love walking bare feet. I don't know why. And I love just walking that time.
I don't know.
How
Just
can
the
you
thinking-
enjoy the chikkal in the garden?
Bro,
I
that's
love
what, just
it.
the thought of walking
Exactly.
in the grass in the rain and my
I
feet are
love
already clenching and I'm like, "Chee."
I love the feeling of that wet grass on my feet.
No,
and
wet
everything.
grass is fine. I'm talking about wet mud, the chikkal that gets
I
stuck
love
in your-
that also.
Chee.
So, Yeah, so the past week, right, like one of my friend has invited me to this group. So there is this app called Step Up where you can basically see the other steps also people have done. Okay, so when she invited me
Other
to
steps people have taken, not done. It's not a dance app. Other steps people have done. Other steps people have for people who are listening, I literally enacted what steps done and steps taken mean. Okay, guys.
so when she added me to this group, right, I was like, okay, fine. And there was this other girl also who's walking like 10k plus steps. Okay, I'm looking at her, I'm also walking more. Like even if my knee is hurting, but I'm still walking more. So Saturday, Sundays I take a break.
Do you know this girl?
No.
So
Like,
what's
she's
the
not- See, message me. No,
What
she
is-
messaged me yesterday.
The
saying-
girl?
Yeah. She like we can message, ping one another, like nudge one another, taunt them. Or,
How
like,
do you know
push
this
them.
girl?
Arey, so she added them. They added me to the group, right? So on this Step Up
There's
group.
just this one common friend with the group.
Yeah.
Okay. This
So my friend added me to this group with other women over there. So all of these women basically, like, walking helps with your, digestion and just helps your body a lot more, right? So we keep walking a lot. So sometimes my friend calls me up, I'm talking to her and I'm walking. And since I told her that even she talks and walks with me. So we've been completing our steps now. So this week I've literally hit 14k steps
This week?
in a day.
Oh.
14k steps in a day.
So
I'm-
Sam. Okay.
Yeah,
Sam
I will tell this part. So I told Rach, like, even you download the app so that I can keep a track of your steps, because sometimes she'll walk so much or she won't walk at all. There's no in between with this woman, okay? So I was like, you download the app. So she downloaded the app, but the problem is with her watch, you need to connect it to Google Fit and then sync it to the app. So I figured out a way. I was like, I need to
She did
sync-
it with her phone.
Yeah, I did it on my phone. I synced the app to my watch and everything, and I was like, Rach, also do it. This one, as much as she's complaining now right now, so she had come to Borivali when we were there. We were climbing up the slope, and I'm saying this because when we're climbing up the slope, we both are exhausted and tired. Okay, since I told this one, connected to your phone, and I also want to see, this one acts like as if she's made of stone and everything. Na? Her heart is like, a little chirgulle, like heart of gold kind of, it's that, okay. This one has downloaded the Google Fit app. She's downloaded the other nonsense app that I've told her just to connect the two, and she has been trying to connect it from so long, and I'm walking beside her and smiling like, you're a simp for me. You try to act all tough, and right now she's trying not to blush.
By the way, this is not what I wanted to say. This one, okay, the other day she's telling me I did 11k steps and everything and all, but the other girl did 14,000 steps, and I was like, wait. You've hit your 10,000 ka goal, okay? So you should be happy, no? I was like, are you walking for yourself or are you walking to compete with the other girl?
Compete with the other girl.
She's like, no, I'm just saying. And I'm like, you let it be, okay? You let it be. You're only doing that many steps for that other girl. At this point, you should credit all of your, what is that?
And it's like a
Points.
healthy
Yeah.
competition that is there, like, even...
There's nothing healthy about this, but okay.
No, it is.
No, the
Because
competition is healthy because it's making her walk. But her attitude towards the walking, I'm thoda judgy about.
No, I'm still enjoying, walking constantly, or having my steps completed before a certain time. Also, it's quite a lot of fun. In fact, even because of this, I have been gymming a lot better right now. Like, I'll make sure like I'm walking properly, I'm doing my other things properly, and also overall, it has benefited me a lot, guys.
Thank you to whoever that girl is who is egging on Sam. But well
Yeah,
done.
I know, right?
Thanks to my friend Neha for adding me to the group. She told me I'll add you to this group, and I thought, I won't really do much. No, my inner person is like, you need to do more steps, and I am so excited. Okay, dude, this one day I got so pissed. This one person did 200 steps more than me, and that too when at 11:45 I've removed my watch and kept it because I'm like, abhi to main nahi chalne wali hu. Next day I got up, I'm like, I must be first. I looked, this fellow has done 200 steps more than me. I was so pissed. I called up Neha and I was like, this fellow did more steps than me. No, I took so much effort to do more steps that day.
I think you need to visit a doctor.
I think we all know that at this point.
I think she needs to calm the F down. She needs to be that gif that I sent her. Romain, calm.
Oh, I love that gif, man. Also, I don't know why. It's like my tube light has been a little bit slower the past few days. Even in the morning, Rach told me something and I didn't register it. She had to stop everything that she was doing.
I'll tell you what happened, guys. Okay? I love watching everything that Gordon Ramsay is in. Bless you. Okay, like literally everything Gordon Ramsay is in. So I watched Kitchen Nightmares US, I watched Kitchen Nightmares UK, I watched Hotel Hell, I have watched Hell's Kitchen, I watched the cooking shows that he is in.
With
okay?
your hairstyle right now, you look a little bit like Gordon Ramsay as well.
Thanks. Okay. So, I'm now watching Hell's Kitchen, okay? So I am on season 8 right now, okay? And then this guy comes up on, okay, there's this guy comes up on the screen, Trevor, okay? And Sam is all excited because Sam, I was watching Hell's Kitchen, I think season 6 or something, and Sam was there when I was watching, so she kind of got excited and she's like, I will also watch. But no, someone doesn't watch 1, 2, 3, 4, no. Someone is randomizing everything. So she's watched season 6 and then she's watched season 18 or season 17
Hell's
something.
Kitchen is a cooking show, right?
Yeah. So
How does the sequence matter?
It doesn't.
it doesn't really matter, okay? But here is the thing: the season that she was watching, right? It's all stars, all veterans versus rookies. Okay. Also that day she didn't call them veterans. Okay. I would just this is a story for after this story. Okay. So what happened was this. So Trevor comes on the screen and in season 8, and he is doing his
Spoiler alert for everyone.
Yeah, spoiler alert.
That's
So
about to be said
he's
before,
making,
but okay.
He's making the salad and everything, and Sam is like, "Oh, he's there in season 18," and I was like, "What?" And here's the thing, right? The people that have not won in the previous seasons are kind of like really good chefs that could have taken it all, are there in this final seasons, in this all-star season, okay? And I was like, so that means he doesn't win this season, no? He's like, no, but that other girl wins the season, no? And I'm like, yes, she won that season, which I already knew. She won that season, but he doesn't win this season. But no! And I was cooking. I've made the gas slow. I've stopped cutting. And I have turned my whole body towards her. And I have explained her exactly what she spoiled for me right now. And she was like, oh, oops. And I was like, you know what, you take that oops and shove it.
Arey, but here's the thing, right? If the first episode only when she seen how he makes the salad, she knew he's not going to win.
What?
But that's a different thing, okay? Like,
First
in
of all, I
season
just want
1
to
or
point
2.
this out. That when she showed me season 7, when she showed me season 8, she has told me who the winner is before the season has even ended or
That
started.
is because when
She
I
reads
was,
the comments, okay, and she is going to figure out who's going to win.
No, that's not what I do.
Why you give my legs here?
I watched the season and then I'm like, TK, this looks nice, and I'm like 3-4 episodes in, and then I probably just search for it or I read the comments and I find out.
What's the
But
point?
I don't want to find out on the first bloody episode, nah. I'm still figuring
So
out
I
this
just
people's
prolonged it a little
personalities. Nonsense. So this I'm just gonna end the story here because Samantha's used this. The other okay. This one the other day she's like all-star season. Yeah, all the veterinarians are there and the newbies are there. And I was like
Veterinarians.
I was like, what? And she was like, yeah. And I was like, wait. So
All the people who take care of dogs.
No. So I was like, what's an animal doctor called? Veterinarian. And I was like, who's on this season? Veterinarians. And I am like, do you not hear yourself right now? Do you not?
Y'all are making me seem a lot dumber than I am, you know.
Aren't you?
And I was like, it's veterans. She's like, oh. And I was like, yeah.
For all the
oh.
English that she jhadofis.
First of all, I do not
content
jadify any
writing she
English.
does. All the content writing she does. Guys,
Dude, this is not a very good impression on me.
you should. Bro, guess. This one has gone to meet, she went to her cousin's place, okay, yesterday before, and one of her cousins were like, oh, by the way, you don't post the links of the podcast or what? And this one's like, yeah, I do. And I
I'm
was
going to put this in a shot and tag him now.
and I'm like, wait. He's your cousin, right? Isn't he on your broadcast list?
Oh.
No.
Because she doesn't have his number?
She has his number. She just didn't want to add him on her broadcast list. And I'm like, bro, what
We
is
are
wrong?
searching for marketing opportunities.
I know,
This
right?
woman doesn't have family.
And this cousin of hers also. He's like, I listened to the half thing and it goes on to the next story, so I don't want to click on the back story. And I was like, and that is the point where I was like, Arey bro, but then he can just click on the link in the message only, na? And I asked, not on the no. And I was like, you give me your phone. I will check your broadcast list.
If he's her cousin, isn't he also your cousin?
No,
Achha.
that side.
Okay.
Sam and I are mom side cousins. So I was like, we are losing out on so many
Because
listeners.
Sam can't
Same
have
marketing opportunities and this and that, no, because of me.
I didn't say marketing, he said, okay, I'm just saying listeners and viewers. Because Sam doesn't want to send it to her, the people she actually should be sending it to.
First of all, I don't even think they will be listening to it, okay?
You send. It's called cold marketing.
I know, right? But bro, this one is picking and choosing. Don't you think she's making decisions for them whether they want to listen
तू
to
जा
it or
रहे
not?
Yeah, but that is not fair, Sam.
I
तू
know,
जा रहे
right?
तू भी जा रहे
She and then this is the one who puts messages on the groups like, guys, you're not getting views.
First of all, okay, I will edit the
First
podcast and
of
everything and
all.
keep it. You have to remind everyone. You have to send it on the group. First of all three of
Three of
us.
Kurana is part of the podcast now.
All
Is
three of us.
this foreshadowing, guys? Are we getting a fourth person on? Who knows? Please comment.
Are we?
Are we?
Or are you just reducing one person and adding two more?
Who is that person? You?
There is a big chance.
Who's going to do the editing? Huh? Did he just Ow.
Okay,
Did he
guys.
just agree to this?
I don't know what you guys are talking about. I'm going.
Okay, I think that's it for this podcast. We'll see you next time. Hopefully.
Please let us know if you're on Sam's broadcast list or not, so we can add you. Drop your numbers here, guys. We will send
Also,
you
Please
personalized
don't drop your
messages.
numbers in the comments.
Also, we'll send you Sam's number. You can just message her if she doesn't add you.
Please
Yes.
don't. Last time Rach almost pimped me out by giving my number. And I had to bleep that shit out. And I like how even when I told Ryan to bleep it out, he's like, no, it's okay. People will know. They don't need to get. I'm like, no. Okay, Ryan is dying, guys. We need to end the podcast.
We need to go. Doctor.
It was just phone hum.
We'll add yours.
I have no problem.
It's obviously you don't. So yeah, we are finally
The
going to
girl
end
will
this.
finally
Shut
message
up.
him.
We will end this podcast, and we hope you enjoy this. And don't forget to subscribe. When we hit 100 subscribers,
If we-
Guys,
When
Sam's
we hit-
having doubts.
Such bad marketing skills.
Okay, bye guys. When we hit 100 subscribers, we have something special planned. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.